I just took the T off my Tesla. Let me know what you think. So it looked like this. Put some heat on it. Pulled it off. Stuck this thing on it. And it looks like...
Baby, no me.
Hey Alexa, how many bitches can we fit in the Tesla?
Okay, no one in the front. No one inside. Open the trunk. Chuck keys in. No one in the trunk. Shut the trunk. Pull out my phone and say, open the boot. And just watch.
I like how you're recording.
We got 0 miles. We got 0 miles, bro.
All that matters is
The charger's all the way on top of the garage. I'm sorry, person behind me. Bro, I'm not gonna make it.
It's your fault, you fucker.
No, my car's actually not letting me go faster.
Are you serious?
It's capping at
I fucking hate you.
Wait, no, it's still going.